In the crucible of war, a man's destiny is forged. Amidst the chaos of Gettysburg, he fought for a future he could not yet see. Knowledge became his new weapon, sharpened in the halls of academia. With each lesson learned, a new world opened before him. In time, he traded gunpowder for ink, building empires of finance. Yet something called to him, a deeper purpose. In the ancient rites of brotherhood, he found his true calling. From soldier to scholar, banker to brother, his journey spanned a century. This is more than one man's story. It's the story of America itself. From battlefield to brotherhood, a legacy that echoes through time.